How to check Haki level in Blox Fruits. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll address your queries regarding checking your Haki experience in Blox Fruits and whether it's possible. To answer this, you can try equipping it or interacting with moves while it's active. However, there is no indicator showing how much experience you have or need for that next level in-game. While you can find the exact required experience amount on the wiki, currently there is no direct way to check your Haki experience within the game. Unfortunately, as of today, there is no workaround or method to see your Haki EXP. You'll have to level up blindly until you reach the next stage. The only option available is to consult the Aura Editor NPC to determine how many stages you have progressed. While you can check your Haki level or stage this way, tracking individual experience points is not possible. Remember to keep progressing blindly until you reach the next stage as an indication of your advancement. So this video aims to inform viewers that currently Blox Fruits does not provide a method to check Haki experience. You can only verify your stage by speaking to the AA editor. Checking individual experience points remains impossible. So if this video has clarified any queries, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, happy gaming, and see you in the next video.